Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube app not playing sound. So if the YouTube app is not playing sound, then in this video I have found a few ways in order to fix this. Starting with fix number one, we need to make sure that we don't have Bluetooth enabled. There is a chance that when you have Bluetooth enabled that it accidentally connects to some of your AirPods that may be somewhere in your room, but you don't have them in your ears, and that could cause issues with all of the audio transmitting to, for example, that Bluetooth device, even though it's not even near you, and that could cause issues with you not hearing any audio. Now, once you've done that and it's still not working, you can also just simply try to check if you can maybe put your volume up a little bit more over on your phone. You can do this by pressing the volume up button and just make sure it's at least at the middle. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, you have double checked both of those things. So what you're going to do is making sure that you're actually watching a YouTube video that has sound. Some YouTube videos just straight up don't have sound. So you want to make sure that you're actually watching a video that you're 99% sure of that does have sound, basically, in order to actually start hearing sounds. You can also just double check if this video has sounds by watching it on an older device to see if then the audio is emitting. Now, if it's still not emitting after you've double checked that, now what you simply want to do is make sure that your speakers are not accidentally broken. If you've dropped your phone maybe in the last few days, then there's a chance that some of your speakers are not working, which can literally just cause issues with YouTube not emitting audio. So what you want to do is head over to Instagram or TikTok and see if the audio is playing on those apps. If they are, then this means that it is a YouTube bug basically, or it's just not working through the YouTube app. Now, once you basically double check that, what we can do is actually start fixing this. In order to do that, head over to settings, just like this. Then click on general and then iPhone storage. Because what we're going to do is we are going to clear the cache over on our YouTube app. In order to do that, just head over to iPhone storage like I did. Click on YouTube and click on offload app. Once you've done that, reinstall back again using this page. And once you've done that, you've basically cleared the cache over on the YouTube app. No worries, all your documents and data will be saved on your device. And basically, once you've done that, you can reopen the app to see if it's now working. If it's still not working, then the last fix I have for you basically is simply restarting your device. And I would recommend going for a forced restart. To do this, quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button over on your iPhone, and then just keep on holding that power button till your entire screen goes dark, but keep on holding till an Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo has appeared, you can let go, and then it will automatically restart, and you can then see if your audio is working, and that should fix the issue for you. So let me know down in the comments below if this fix fixed it for you. If it did, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.